Let me introduce you Shobha Limited, one of the biggest international brand in India who works for all over the country in real estate. And yes, if I talk about the sustainability and quality, unbeatable. You can see the actual building behind me. So let me tell you about the location. Location connectivity from here, this is the center of Chandni Chowk. From here, your western part, your eastern part, your city is very close by. You can travel anywhere from this particular location. And the best part is that I'm going to show you the museum, the experience center, which is designed by Shobha Nisara, and tell you about the quality of construction. Whatever they are giving you in-house. तो चलिए experience करते हैं शोभा निसारा के experience center में. Let's go. ब्रांड की लेगेसी जाने बिना हम कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं? Shobha has officially started in 1995, and in Pune real estate market they came into 2002 through the contractual project of Infosys. And you won't believe, all over India they have only delivered all the Infosys projects, as you can see the structure. In all over the countries, they have delivered 276 projects and 30,000 plus happy families are already residing there. So this is the experience center. I know you guys are very excited to see it. Let me explain you what inside this experience center and what is new about it. Shobha brand is only for the quality oriented people. As you know, आप इतना बड़ा investment या induce करते हो, property में इतना पैसा लगाते हो, you always look for a better quality, better home and better future. As you know, आज घर खरीदते हैं, 2 साल के बाद plumbing में issue आता है, leakage, seepage, many things happens. Again, ये सारी चीजें हटाने के लिए शोभा ने सारा कंस्ट्रक्शन इन हाउस किया है. इवन फ्रॉम अ डोर, a window, everything is in house, nothing outsourced. So here we talk about the detailing, how they have done the construction and what materials they are using. इस म्यूजियम में आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं फ्लोर मेकिंग, योर एक्चुअल फाउंडेशन वॉल मेकिंग, एंड दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन इज आरसीसी. योर वॉशरूम मेकिंग एंड योर एक्चुअल वॉशरूम मेकिंग, demarcation on your plumbings, your terrace and your parking, podium amenities in making and your balcony and the slider in making. As I mentioned, ये सारी चीजें शोभा इन हाउस कंस्ट्रक्ट करता है. ये एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए आपको विजिट करना होगा शोभा निसारा एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट प्लान एंड द लेआउट ऑफ शोभा निसारा. So let's see. So this particular project spread across in 3.5 acres of a land parcel and only 3 towers are there, A, B and C. A and B is completely sold out, and B tower we have already given possession. A tower will be in 6 months, it will be in ready. C tower will be giving a possession in next year time. Very limited inventory available. There's a 5 level of car parkings. Actual floor is start from a 6th floor and there is a 28-story building. I'll tell you about the entry. There is a private entry from the service road towards the project. As you enter, you will find a proper, beautifully designed lobby space and waiting lounge area. So, C Tower is the last tower and last opportunity to own your house in the epicenter of Kothurud. There are per floor 5 apartments, 2 3 BHK, 1 3.5, 4 and 4.5 BHKs with the bigger carpet areas. Carpet areas and prices are mentioned on screen. I'm going to tell you about the view. View is going to be a very beautiful. Beside that, there is a NDA Hills, and in front you'll be having a proper city view. This is the master plan of the project. Let's talk about the amenities. Amenities are so beautifully designed. It's a 30 plus modern amenities designed on podium. So let's talk about what amenities we are giving. There are multi-activity lawn, celebration arena, open air deck, jogging track, sunset deck, pool bar, sensory garden, children's play area, clubhouse, pet park and cricket pitch. There are 3 levels of indoor amenities also given. Reception lounge, multi-purpose hall, co-working space, gym, indoor games and badminton court and many more. Without wasting time, I'm going to show you the actual lobby and actual design where I am standing right now. You can see the look and finish. It's beautiful and beyond, as I told you, quality is the major USP for Shobha Nisara. This is the actual 4.5 BHK, 2000 square feet. You can see the door finishing, proper rubber cascading, silicone pads given on both the side of the door. मैं अपना हर एक वीडियो स्टार्ट करती हूँ एंट्री के साथ, लेकिन ये वीडियो इतना स्पेशल है बिकॉज दिस व्यू इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट का सबसे बड़ा यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट यही है एंड बाइंग पॉइंट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ये व्यू आपको किसी और प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं मिलेगा। इतना शांति, इतना सुकून। ये 4.5 BHK प्रॉपरली वास्तु कंप्लायंट के अकॉर्डिंगली डिजाइन किया गया है आपके लिए। दिस इज वेरी ह्यूज, 2000 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ अ 4.5 BHK एक्चुअल अपार्टमेंट। जिस टावर की हम बात कर रहे हैं, सी टावर की, उसमें आपको मिलती है 2140 स्क्वायर फीट की 4.5 BHK, जो इससे भी बड़ी है एक्चुअल में। इस साइड मिलता है आपको एक किचन। लेडीज, यू कैन डिजाइन एज पर योर टेस्ट बिकॉज ये किचन आपको प्रॉपरली रॉ मिल रहा है विथ फुल फ्लोरिंग, सीपी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स के साथ। आप अपने वास्तु के हिसाब से अपना गैस स्टोव, एवरीथिंग यू कैन पुट अप ऑन योर चॉइस। प्रॉपर लिविंग, डाइनिंग एंड फॉयर एरियाज में आपको मिलते हैं इटालियन मार्बल फ्लोरिंग्स। एंड लेट्स लुक टुवर्ड्स द अदर रूम्स एंड द मास्टर बेडरूम। लेट्स गो। एज यू एंटर, यहाँ पे आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मिलता है आपका मास्टर वॉशरूम प्लस फ्लोरिंग। अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो फ्लोरिंग इज प्रॉपर वुडन टेक्सचर डिजाइन टाइल्स फ्लोरिंग की गई है, प्लस यू हैव अ क्लोजेट स्पेस। बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आप लोग मुझसे हमेशा पूछते हैं, रजनी, डू यू हैव समथिंग 2 or 3 balconies? Yes, this apartment has 3 balconies, 2 with your master bedroom, 1 with your living dining, with the beauty of NDA Hills looking towards your master bedroom. So this is your guest bedroom. This whole layout is designed in that manner that 3 bedrooms is on that side and first bedroom is the guest bedroom, which is right after the entering your apartment with attached washroom to it. There is a full length window. Down is fixed, upper you can open it and have a beautiful air and ventilation with the good quality of windows designed by Shobha in-house. For a better entry and exit, we have given a private and separate entry access for the servants also, with the servant room and washroom attached to it. इस 4.5 BHK का actual tour करने के लिए you should contact me on this given below number and I'll show you this beautiful view and this beautiful actual apartment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.